Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my last tutorial, I have shown the cutting of designer Chinese collar gown. Now let's get into the stitching part. First, take the bodice pieces and stitch the back darts and pin the princess cut seam. Then make a stitch line. Now, take the collar strap pieces, place these facing right side each other and make a stitch line on two sides as shown. After then, take the collar piece and make a stitch line as shown. I have stitched the princess cut seam. Now just cut off the uneven edges of both the bodice pieces. Make small cuts on curve areas. Then take your collar strap pieces and make small cuts and turn the collar strap pieces to the right side with the help of safety pin. Press these strap pieces and do the top stitching. Then take the collar piece and cut the extras with leaving 1 cm seam allowance on the upper side and ½ inch for folding at the bottom side. Make small cuts and turn the collar to the right side. Fold the strip on one side like so and make a stitch line. Now take your bodice pieces, place them by facing right side each other and make a stitch line on armholes and neckline to conceal the raw edges. You can also conceal them with bias strips. And also stitch the panels. Make small cuts on the neckline and armholes and turn the bodice pieces to the right side. Then take the collar piece and trace the ½ inch like so. Fold this inside and take thread and needle and hand stitch it like so. Now pin both the strap pieces and again hand stitch the collar piece, cause after hand stitching, machine stitch will become more easy on the curve edges. Now do the machine stitching and after then remove the hand stitches. I have also stitched the shoulders. Now pin the collar straps on 1½ inches down to the armholes as shown. I pinned the straps on the front bodice piece. And then make a stitch line on the sides of the bodice. And hand sew hook and eye on the collar. Then take your skirt pieces and place them by facing right side each other and make a stitch line on all 4 pieces till the hip line. And then stitch the lining and the main fabric pieces separately. I have stitched the skirt and bodice. Now turn the bodice piece to the wrong side and pull the skirt through the neckline and match the sides of the bodice and skirt and pin both the pieces all around. Then make a stitch line to join the bodice to the skirt and turn it to the right side. To conceal the raw edges of skirt's bottom, I have cut a long strip of fabric with 4 to 5 inches of width, and I also attach a thread piping to the bottom to give it more volume. Sandwich the piping in between the skirt and strap and make a stitch line. Then turn it to the wrong side, fold it again and make a stitch line as shown. See how it turned out after stitching. It's perfectly well fitted dress. I really love my creation. Hope you liked it too. Please like, comment and share my work, and also subscribe to my channel for more such upcomings. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.